The automotive world has always had its fair share of legends, icons, and revolutionary models. From muscle cars to modern-day supercars, the history of the automobile is filled with names that have defined the very essence of performance and style. Among these legends, one name continues to evoke admiration and excitement: the Chevrolet Impala. First introduced in the 1950s, the Impala became synonymous with American muscle and performance, a symbol of the high-performance cars that ruled the streets and drag strips. Fast forward to 2026, and the Chevrolet Impala is about to make a comeback like never before. This time, though, it's bringing a new level of intensity, with a performance edge that will leave enthusiasts stunned. That's right, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala Hellcat is the latest chapter in the Impala's storied history. But this isn't just another retro-inspired muscle car. This is a modern-day powerhouse that pays tribute to the Impala's legacy while introducing new technologies and design features that set it apart from anything else on the road. Let's dive into the details of the 2026 Chevrolet Impala Hellcat, a car that is set to redefine what we know about muscle cars and performance sedans. At first glance, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala Hellcat is a perfect blend of classic charm and modern aggressiveness. Chevrolet has expertly integrated the car's legendary design elements with new-age styling cues that demand attention. The long, muscular lines of the original Impala are still there, evoking the spirit of the classic 60s model, but there's something undeniably more menacing about this new iteration. The low, wide stance, aggressive grille, and sculpted bodywork give it an intimidating presence that tells you right away, this car is ready to perform. But before we get to the performance, let's talk about the engine that makes this Hellcat stand out in a crowd. Under the hood of the 2026 Impala Hellcat sits a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine, borrowed from its Dodge Hellcat cousins. This engine, renowned for its raw power and reliability, pumps out an eye-watering 707 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. That's right, the same engine that powers some of the most legendary muscle cars of this generation finds its way under the hood of the 2026 Impala Hellcat. With this engine, the Impala Hellcat can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, a feat that not only positions it as a direct competitor to modern sports sedans but also as a serious contender in the muscle car arena. The powertrain isn't just about sheer horsepower either. The 2026 Impala Hellcat comes equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission that sends power to the rear wheels. This allows for an incredibly smooth and precise driving experience, whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the track. The paddle shifters on the steering wheel give the driver a greater level of control over gear changes, allowing for a more engaged and thrilling driving experience. One of the standout features of the Impala Hellcat is its adaptive suspension system, which allows the car to adjust its ride quality depending on the driving conditions. Whether you're navigating tight corners on a winding backroad or cruising on the open highway, the suspension adapts to ensure the best possible handling. And speaking of handling, the Impala Hellcat features Brembo brakes, the same high-performance braking system that's used in many of the world's top-tier sports cars. These brakes offer unmatched stopping power, allowing the Impala to handle even the most demanding situations with ease. Inside, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala Hellcat stays true to its heritage while embracing the future of automotive technology. The cabin is a blend of luxurious materials and cutting-edge tech. The seats are finished in a high-quality leather that offers both comfort and support during spirited driving sessions. There's also a significant amount of room inside, which makes the Impala Hellcat an ideal performance sedan for those who want a thrilling ride without sacrificing comfort. The dashboard is dominated by a large, digital touchscreen infotainment system that provides access to everything from navigation to media controls. This system is fully compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. There's also an advanced heads-up display that shows critical driving information, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road to monitor important data. The 2026 Impala Hellcat also offers a full suite of advanced safety features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking are just a few of the technologies designed to keep you safe on the road. These systems work together to ensure that the Impala Hellcat is as much about daily usability as it is about raw performance. In terms of design, Chevrolet has left no stone unturned. The 2026 Impala Hellcat features a sleek, aerodynamic profile, with a low-slung roofline and flared wheel arches that give it an unmistakable presence. The front end is dominated by a wide, aggressive grille with sharp headlights that seem to glare at you as if daring you to take the car out for a spin. The rear features quad exhaust tips and a subtle spoiler that hints at the car's performance pedigree. Overall, the Impala Hellcat is a beautiful, menacing car that exudes confidence from every angle. Let's talk about the driving experience because that's what really sets the 2026 Chevrolet Impala Hellcat apart. The moment you get behind the wheel, you're immediately aware of the car's raw power. The engine roars to life with a deep, throaty growl, and the supercharger whine is a constant reminder that you're driving something special. The acceleration is almost instantaneous, with the car thrusting you back into your seat as you unleash the full potential of the V8 engine. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The Impala Hellcat is an absolute joy to drive on twisty roads and race tracks. The steering is precise, and the handling is razor-sharp. You can feel the road beneath you as the car grips through corners, with minimal body roll thanks to the adaptive suspension system. Whether you're taking it easy on a Sunday drive or pushing the car to its limits on a race track, the Impala Hellcat responds with precision and confidence. But don't let the Hellcat badge fool you, this car isn't just a brute force machine. It's also incredibly refined, with a smooth ride that rivals that of more luxurious sedans. The cabin is well insulated from road noise, and the seats are incredibly comfortable, even on long drives. The sound system is top-notch, providing crystal-clear audio for when you want to kick back and relax. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Impala Hellcat is designed to be a car that can be driven every day. It's not a car that's just for the weekend warriors or track enthusiasts, it's a car that can easily transition from a day at the office to a night of thrilling driving. Chevrolet has managed to strike the perfect balance between comfort, usability, and sheer performance. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Impala Hellcat is not for the faint of heart. With a starting price that's expected to be around $60,000, it's definitely positioned as a premium performance sedan. But when you consider the raw power, advanced features, and timeless design, it's easy to see why the price tag is justified. For those who want the ultimate combination of American muscle and modern technology, the Impala Hellcat is the car to beat. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala Hellcat is a stunning achievement in the world of muscle cars and performance sedans. It's a car that pays homage to the Impala's legendary history while pushing the boundaries of modern engineering and design. With its supercharged V8 engine, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive styling, the Impala Hellcat is a car that will capture the hearts of automotive enthusiasts for years to come. If you're someone who values raw power, precision handling, and a driving experience like no other, then the 2026 Chevrolet Impala Hellcat is the car you've been waiting for. Whether you're looking to dominate the streets, turn heads at the track, or simply enjoy the thrill of the ride, this car offers it all. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala Hellcat is here to redefine what a muscle car can be, and it's ready to make history all over again.